Hi everyone, right, back again. Like I said last week, going to continue with the welding up under the wing. Going to make the bit for the hockey stick. Oh, it's all a bit close there. Make a bit for the hockey stick. I'll cut this piece out there, graft a new bit in there, remove the splash panel, repair this lower bit down here as well. There's a hole there and here needs repairing. So yeah, that's the plan today, is to try and get it all sorted under here. The first thing I need to do is to drill the rivets out and get rid of that rubber. I don't know if I've said, but I've got all new rubbers basically for the whole car anyway. So yeah, let's do it. Right, so I've made this piece up now and put some weld through primer on it. So this bit got to go up in there. It's all good. We'll get that up in there in a minute. Cut that out. Cleaned up that piece behind it, so I can stitch a bit in there. Unfortunately I've had to cut a piece of this out as well because I noticed that this had sort of ballooned, which I didn't really want to have to touch this, but you know, nothing's moved and it is strong behind it. So I've cut a piece out to go in there, and then I shall make a piece for that bracket. I say bracket, strengthening plate. So yeah, getting there. As I've got that piece clamped in place now for the boomerang. Bit of weld through primer on the back pieces of these, and my two panels going there and in there are outside drying. Once again we'll weld through primer on. I'll get this piece welded in and plug weld it up the top. I was going to do it downwards, but I thought it would be easier to keep it neat under the bonnet. I've done it up under the wing, even though it's going to be awkward underarm welding, but that'll be fine. Right, so I'm going to plug this weld this bit in here now. Weld it down there, weld it down there, and then hopefully by the time I've done that, these bits should be dry. It's nearly dry now, so by the time I've done that, be all good. I've just put a little piece in there. I'd ground it there. I'd ground that where I welded that top piece in, and it had gone a little bit thin, so I just cut that back out and just put a little bit in there. But yeah, it's good. Sorted. Have this all plugged in, welded down there now. Hammy light's gone off, that's handy. So I just need to clean it up a bit later on, but I'll get these bits in there first. That's it. Oh, I see, the light's going to start flashing on and off again like it did before now. Cool, I'll be back. Alright, I'm not sure what you can see, but I've got this piece tacked in here now. So, get the generator going again, get that piece welded in, get that cleaned up, and then get the other bit welded in. I'll probably get the other bit welded in before I clean that up actually, and then I've just got to make this piece here. So I've got them two patches welded in there now. What I need to do now is clean these off, then make a piece for there, and then a piece to go across the top of there. I've got to try and find a bit of plate to do this piece because it needs to be a bit thicker than what even my thicker stuff is. but I do have an offcut from the outer seal from Wadham's, which is quite heavy, so that's probably what I'm going to use on that. Right, so I didn't film that bit, but I've welded a piece in up there now, and I've cut a thicker piece and welded that in there, which appears to be nice and strong. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Just need to give it a bit of a clean up now, and then that's that sort of top half bit done, I think. Which now I need to move on and get this cut out. I don't know how far I'm going to get with that today. I've done a bit more than what I was expecting to have to do. So we'll see how we get on, but we'll try and cut it out at least. I do have the new panel to go in there, so it should be a little bit easier, he says. Right, so I've done quite a bit today, but I haven't filmed a lot of it. Trying to think exactly where I was. I think I showed you that bit, which is all completed. I've now cut out that bit, and I've replaced this bottom corner of the floor, and I've literally just finished welding in a couple of little bits at the bottom of the inner wing. So next time I'm over here, I'm gonna get on and get this splash panel put in. I should cut this out a little bit further for when I do the outer seal, so that I can actually get in there to cut the yeah, I need to cut some of this out, otherwise it'll be too close to the splash panel when I try and cut the outer seal into shape. I know what I mean anyway. But yeah, sorry I haven't filmed that much today, but it hasn't been too bad. We got all that bit done, got that done. This bit wasn't expecting to do, so didn't get quite as far as I hoped, but yeah, it's not too bad, and every little bit is one bit less, as I always say. So right, so it's only a short video, but thanks for watching, and I'll keep you updated, and eventually we will get there. Right, thanks for watching, speak to you soon, bye.